Premier One is an online agriculture e-business located in southeast Iowa. We sell fences, we sell farm supplies to hobby farmers, to sheep and goat producers, large and small. So 40 years ago, my uncle started the business right here on this farm.
We had no 5-year plan, we had no budget, we had no money. The idea of it growing to something like this was completely foreign to us.
So when I joined the company, the software being used at that time was a Sage product. It had served its purpose well, but it got to the point where we were kind of stuck in time. And as a website business, what you can't have is being stuck in time.
Our previous system was hosted on site, and we had a lot of limitations with that. The server would go down quite often. We'd have people on the road or at home that couldn't access the software.
We were using Sage as our credit card processor, and they didn't have the security features that we wanted to implement to decrease the fraud that we were getting.
One of our frustrations with Mass 500 was how long some of the simple processes were. Just to set up an inventory item, you had to go to 4 different screens and repeat the input of information 4 different times. The same with setting up vendors and doing warehouse transfers. Acumatica has streamlined many of those processes, so they're no longer a frustration.
With over 60% of our sales coming from the website, we needed the 2 systems to talk to each other, and the Open API allowed us to do just that.
Having a very dynamic business-to-consumer environment that their customers can engage with, fulfill those orders, have that information flow back seamlessly through that API interconnection between Acumatica and their e-commerce platform was critical. Premier One, because of their expertise, can take ownership of that and not be dependent on an external organization to maintain those changes on a daily basis.
So with my development background, I've been able to do a lot of customizations. A few of them I'm pretty excited about. 2 weeks after a customer purchases, we can send that customer a drip campaign. It'll say, hey, come back, review this product, let us know what you think. And that's driven a lot of reviews on our site. We're almost up to 10,000 reviews now.
I was looking for something that would be easy to use for our sales staff who are on the phone with the customer. I didn't want them to have to click to 7 different screens to get customer information and to get shipping terms and to add products or look at maybe what they had ordered in the past, which our customers will ask back quite often. What ear tags did I order last year?
The workflow process in Acumatica has been a lot quicker and easier. I really like that it's in the cloud, so I can access it from anywhere.
Acumatica allows us to do what we want to do, the way we want to do it, on our terms.